This is Zachary's 12. We did the 4 gauge T2, Rockford T2 terminals. Doubled up the leads, 9 1/4 inch spider, Johnny 5 cone, which you saw the dimpling on. It's not that it's bad, because he'll never get that kind of excursion in real life, which is, again, this is plenty. It's fine, it's good. And then we did the 180 millimeter shiny carbon fiber dust cap, which I got more on order. I'm not selling any of those right now, so I only got a small stash left. But I only order in like bunches of 100. I'm just a little guy. Just a little baby. And so this is like a, what is it? I guess this would be a GONZO adolescence. Something in between the GONZO Jr. and the full-size GONZO, because this is basically on par with like a Sundown. Well, it's in between a ZV. No, it would be about a ZV. No, it'd be an Xv3. So, because it's just a little taller than theirs. Theirs is a little squattier. It's only a triple stack. It's about the same ferrite, which is about 400 ounces. This is the gravity frame. As you can see, gravity's been removed there. And what was great was, if you saw the Instagram post, this is the same frame that Recoil China had decided to use on their new 1000 watt woofer. So maybe I can import some frames from their people to get a price break. So you never know. Like, just order an extra 100 for me, Monica. So FS 26.24, QTS 0.47. So good for sealed or ported. Just so you know, the break point on that is about 0.5. 0.5 is good for either or. Typically when you go under that, it's better in sealed boxes. And again, everything always sounds better in a ported box. So just typically, sometimes the VAS tends to be a little bit larger when trying to get good bass out of it. It's not always true. So we'll find out here in a second if the VAS is actually pretty reasonable. Should only be 1 cubic foot, 1.3. So it is a little larger than normal, but again, that's fine. I think it's because the coil is not quite copper. It's not heavy enough. But I'm still happy with, well, it's 1.3, so. And some of that may have to do with the suspension. It's a little stiffer than normal. It's more on par with the GONZO, but it could also be this surround. The larger it is, the more it can flex. So I don't know. I think it turned out pretty good though. I recommend, again, this is the MTX Bass Slammer box, which is 1.75 at 34 Hertz. So FS is 26, QTS is 0.47, VAS is 1.3. So that's it. That's my recommendation. I'm going to call Zach and let him know his woofer made it through testing and it's ready to pick up.